Well, hello everybody. We are going on a drone filming adventure. And why travel by car when you can travel by motorcycle? So come along with me as we travel to Morgan's Point. I have a secret spot I'd like to launch the drone from to make videos. And I live in Texas, so never leave home without it. It was a fairly quick and uneventful trip to Morgan's Point. I was able to use the drone to film 2 vessels. So without further ado, enjoy the video. This video of the BLUEFIN chemical products tanker was filmed on February the 6th, 2023. Seen here, the vessel is traveling over 10 knots and is traveling south after visiting the port of Houston. She measures 144 meters in length and 23 meters in width, flies under the flag of Liberia.